Travelogue, Part 4. Exploring New York, our hotel. Our group of international teachers stayed in the Hotel New York Marriott Marquis, close to Times Square. It was a bit unusual. The hotel lift was operated by a room card and had 51 floors. Our room was on the 36th floor. I was lucky to see Times Square from the bird view. My first impression of Times Square. When you see crowds of people of different nationalities, watch huge advertisements, listen to vibrant sounds of songs, car engines, people's speech, you can realize that you are in the very heart of the USA. In the middle of the square, there is a spot for different concerts or meetings. I could see that it was a very lively place till late night. Only in the early morning, approximately at 5 to 6 a.m., you can see single people or small groups who cross the square and go to explore the city or move forward to the Central Park, exploring the city. There are a lot of interesting places to visit in the city. You can go along the numerous streets and avenues and explore them. Manhattan streets run east-west and avenues run north-south. I should admit that at the weekend the traffic is so intense that drivers in their yellow taxis and cars cannot drive normally because lots of pedestrians on the central streets ignore the traffic lights. Food. The street food in New York is rather tasty. For $20, you can get a portion of halal rice with chicken, ketchup barbecue, a salad from tomatoes, and a can of drink, for example, Coke. The amount of food is so big that you can divide it into 2 parts and save for another meal. You can also drink coffee or latte in Starbucks or other coffee houses, visiting landmarks and famous places. We visited and watched a lot of places in New York: the Brooklyn Bridge, Wall Street and the Charging Bull, the United Nations headquarters, the 9/11 Memorial, the American Museum of Natural History, the Statue of Liberty, Chrysler Building. Our first landmark was the United Nations headquarters. While we were waiting in line to enter the main building, we were watching colorful flags of different countries, members of the organization. Everybody found own country flag. There were 193 flags placed in the alphabetical order of their countries. Then we had an excursion with a guide, Mykola, who was born in Kharkiv, Ukraine, and visited different councils: Security Council, Trusteeship Council, Economic and Social Council, etc. I also walked near Empire State Building, explored 7th Avenue, visited Central Park and Madame Tussauds Public Library, and Broadway showed Juliet in the Stephen Sondheim Theater.